It's a bright sunny day at Construction HQ. Everyone is excited to start work. Today, they need to repair an old bridge that's collapsed in the middle. That'll be fun. The team arrive happily at the broken bridge. Wow, look at all the holes. But they need to get their planks at the far side to fix it. Where's Daisy going? Whoa! Mr Rubble almost got knocked over the edge. Daisy can't get over the gap. But maybe she can reach the planks with a hook. Oh, nearly! Give it another go. Oh no, she's knocked it into the river. But at least Daisy tried. What are they going to do now? Digley's got it. He's going to try and reach across. Watch out, the plank is collapsing. Phew, great save, Daisy. But how are they going to get across and get those planks? Wait a minute, I think Digley has a plan, watching Daisy's hook swing back and forth. Oh, they're going to swing Mr Rubble over the gap. That's a long way down, and Mr Rubble doesn't like heights. He's nervous, but Digley and CJ are encouraging him. Go on, Mr Rubble, be brave, you can do it. Mr Rubble is swinging. This isn't so bad. It's actually great fun. He's having a great time. He can grab the planks on that side and deliver them to the crew on the other side. Now, with a bit of cement to stick it, the bridge will be repaired in no time. There, all done. Good job, team. But look, Mr Rubble is still swinging. He's having so much fun, he doesn't want to stop.